Hello and welcome to the lecture session on Newton's forward and backward interpolation. In today's video, I am going to present what is the interpolation. The interpolation is nothing but getting the value in between the set of data. Interpolating. Inter means in between the set of data, collating by calculating it. So forward and the backward difference table. So first thing we have to do is the forward and the backward difference table. Given the set of values for x and y, we need to find out the first difference, the second difference, third difference and the nth difference like this. We will be finding the difference of y1 and y0 and then it will be written as del y0, and this is y2 and y1. The difference between y2 and y1 it will be written. Difference between y3 and y2, like this it will be written. The same thing if it is for the backward, it is del y1. If it is forward, it is del y0. Like this it will be calculated. Similarly, in order to get the second difference, it is the difference between del y1 minus del y0. That will be del square y0, whereas backward it is del square y2, and so on it will be calculated. This table can be used for both forward as well as backward. When we want to calculate a value in between, that is up to the half, any value in between if you want to calculate, or even before this x0 if you want to calculate also, we can use the forward interpolation formula. Whereas when it is anything above the half of it, after half of this one, middle of this one, any value if you want to interpolate, then we can use the backward values, backward interpolation formula. But the table is common to both forward as well as backward. What is the interpolation is, let y0, y1, y2, yn be the values of the unknown function y equals to f of x corresponding to the values of x0, x1, x2, etc., xn of x. The process of finding the value of y for the given value of x between x0 and xn is called as the interpolation. The process of finding the value of y to the value of x outside the interval is called the extrapolation. We have the two formula. One is Newton's-Gregory forward interpolation formula. This formula used in order to calculate any value up to middle of the data. So the formula is like this: y is equals to y0 plus r del y0 plus r minus 1 by 2 factorial del square y0 plus r minus 1 r minus 2 by 3 factorial into del cube y0 plus etc. plus r minus 1 r minus 2 etc. r minus n minus 1 divided by n factorial del power n y0, where r is x minus x0 by h and h is the difference between any two intervals of x. Similarly, we have a Newton-Gregory backward interpolation formula, that is y is equal to y0 yn plus r del yn plus r plus 1 by 2 factorial del square by n plus r plus 1 r plus 2 del cube by n plus etc., where r is x minus xn by h. So let us see the problems now. The first problem is find y of 1.4 given the data x comma y as x values are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and y values are 10, 26, 58, 112, 194. And look at this, it is 1.4. It is exactly 3 is the midpoint if you take. 1.4 is in between, before the midpoint of this one. Therefore, we can use the forward interpolation formula. And before that, we need to calculate what is the h and what is the table. We have to find the table. Here we have to find y at x is equals to 1.4 and x is equals to 1.4 is present in the first half. Therefore, use the forward interpolation formula. So this is the table. You can observe here x is taken like this and y is taken as 10, 26, 58 and 112 and 194. Del y, del square y, del cube y, del power 4y till we get the 0 or the common 1 point we will have to get it, or similar type, the same numbers we have to get it. So let us take what is del y equals to. It is nothing but 26 minus 10, which is 16, 58 minus 26, that is 32, 112 minus 58, that is 54, 194 minus 112, that is 82. Next, in order to get the del square, it is 82 minus 54, which is 28, 54 minus 32, that is 22, 32 minus 16, that is 16. Now it is 22 minus 16, now to get the del cube, that is 6, 28 minus 22, which is again 6. So the next one is del power 4, so we will take the difference of these two, which is going to be 0. Here we can stop. Next, we have the formula of y of x for the forward interpolation r del y naught plus r minus 1 del square y naught divided by 2 factorial r minus 1 by r minus 2 del cube y naught by 3 factorial plus r minus 1 r minus 2 r minus 3 del power 4 by naught by 4 factorial. To find out r, it is x minus x naught divided by h, that is 1.4 minus 1 divided by 1, which gives us 0.4. Therefore r is 0.4. Now to find out y of 1.4, it is 10 plus 0.4 into 16 plus 0.4 into 0.4 minus 1 by 2 into 16 plus 0.4 into 0.4 minus 1 into 0.4 minus 2 divided by 6 into 6 plus the next term we are going to not going to calculate because it is the del power 4 y naught is 0. Therefore this part we will not be writing it. Now after simplification we are getting 10 plus 6.4 minus 1.92 plus 0.384, which on calculation we are getting 15.864. To check whether it is right or wrong, what we should do is 1.4. The 1.4 is lying between 1 and 2. So the answer also should be lying between 10 and 26. So our answer here is exactly lying between 10 and 26. So it is 14.864. Next problem. The area of circle A corresponding to the diameter D is given below. Diameter is thus 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. It is equidistance. Next, the area is given by 5026, 5674, 6362, 7088, 7854. Find the area corresponding to diameter 105 using an appropriate interpolation formula. So we have to find the area at diameter D equals to 105. So here, when we look at the table, 105 is beyond this table. That is, after 100, after 100, it is 105. It is actually the extrapolation, but we can use the Newton's backward interpolation formula because after the half of the set. So here x is equals to 105, which is present in the last half. So use the backward interpolation formula. So we can, as usual, calculate the table or form the table. That is 80, 85, x values are 80, 85, 90, 95, 100, and the corresponding y values are 5026, 5674, 6362, 7088, 7854. These are the values or areas of this one. So here it is a backward, so it is del y we are calculating. That is 5674 minus 5620, that is 648, and 6362 minus 5674 is 688, and 7088 minus 6362 is 726, and again the difference is 7854 minus 7088 is 766. Now again we will calculate for the del square. 766 minus 726 is 40. 726 minus 688 is 38. 688 minus 648 is 40. Again we will calculate the difference of this one. It is minus 2. Here is plus 2. So this difference of these two is there. So up to del 4, I mean, we have got the value. So use the formula, that is backward interpolation formula, yn plus r del yn plus r plus 1 by 2 factorial del square by n plus r plus 1 r plus 2 del cube by n divided by 3 factorial plus r plus 1 r plus 2 r plus 3 del power 4 by n by 4 factorial. And here the xn is 100, x is equals to 105 and h is equals to 5. So r is given by x minus xn by h, that is equals to 100 minus 105 minus 100 divided by 5, which gives r is equals to 5. Now we need to calculate y of 105. That gives us 7854 plus 1 into 766 plus 1 into 1 plus 1 into 40 by 2 plus 1 into 1 plus 1 1 plus 2 into 2 divided by 6 plus 1 into 1 plus 1 1 plus 2 1 plus 3 into 4 divided by 20. So on substitution of all this and simplification, we get a is equals to 8666 for diameter 105. So we can look at the table. 105, that is 100 is 7854. It is all in the increasing order. So 8666 is 105. So it is correct. Next problem. Given f is equals to, as given f of 40 is 184, f of 50 is 204, f of 60 is 226, 70 is 250, 80 is 276 and 90 is 304. Find f of 38 and 85 using the suitable interpolation formula. To find f of 38, that is x is equals to 38, it is in the first half, so use the forward interpolation formula. Whereas for f of 85, that is x is equals to 85, it is in the last half, so use the backward interpolation formula. So in this problem, we are using both forward as well as backward interpolation formula suitably. The table is same, that is x is 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, y is 184, 204, 226, 250, 276, 304. So the first difference is 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, and the second difference is 2, 2, 2, 2. Third difference will be 0, 0, 0. Newton's forward interpolation formula. To find f of 38, x is equals to 38, x naught is 40, h is 10. So our value is x minus x naught by h, that is 38 minus 40 by 10, which is r equals to minus 0.2. And y is y naught plus r del y naught plus r minus 1 divided by 2 factorial del square y naught. So f of 38 on substitution 184 plus minus 0.2 into 2, 20 plus minus 0.2 into minus 2 minus 0.2 minus 1 into 2 divided by 2, that gives us 180.24. This is for f of 38. Similarly, to calculate the backward interpolation formula, to calculate 85, we use the backward interpolation formula where x is 85, xn is 90, h is 10. So our value is minus 0.5 and the formula for this is f of x is equals to yn plus r del yn plus r plus 1 del square yn by 2 factorial. So on substitution of all this, we are getting 289.75. Thank you.